Hi, I'm John from Caravan Connections. I'm going to show you how your caravan works. So this way you're on here, put your key in, turn it, open it up, and this is where you fill up your water for your toilet flush, okay? And you put your pink stuff in there. Yeah. This is where your cassette is. So you just lift that up, pull it out, go to where you got to dump it, turn that round, unscrew the lid, and then dump it. Okay. This is the water container for your grey water. Okay. So we go down here. As you can see, the tap's on. So if you want to turn it off, turn the tap up. Okay. So put it down, and then you can unplug this here, pull it away, and then you can put your wee plug in. And that's not the dust from coming. Okay, and you can do the same with that. So that's for your grey water. And we go down here, this is your gas. The gas bottle. So you turn your gas bottle on. Enough room there for another one. Okay. When you got your heater on, this is the vent that the gas lets the fumes come out of, and this is your wee pump. Okay, so it's got a wee pump on the end. You put it in the barrel, and then you just plug it into there, and then you're all good to go. Okay. This one here, just a wee locker, and there's another one on the other side as well. Okay. Just there. This one here, this is for, got a plug for the outside. Okay. And this one here is just your battery box. So you plug your power cord into there, and there's your battery there. Okay. And you can only get to it by using the key. Okay. Also, you've got your satellite dish. So on the back of the satellite dish, you've got all these numbers. You set it to on the side. Make sure it's level there. This is down nice and firm. Okay. You're roughly pointing it northwest. Okay. So with your one, it's just cable's just going up through the window. The window's closed, so it's nice and sealed. Okay. Then we go inside. As you see, we've got it comes through the window over to here, plugged into the TV, and your TV's working. But I'll show you when you turn up on the day. I'll show you a bit more about that. Okay. Right, so in the caravan, you've got this wee board here. So this one turns all your lights on. That's the master switch, so you turn that on, and then everything will turn on. That one, flick the pump on. That one there's your awning light. Okay. And that's just showing you the voltage. We're plugged in the power, so it's high. You don't want to drop below 11. Once it starts getting to 11, you want to plug it in and charge it. Okay. Up here, this is your wee thing. So the flashing, that's your wee RV. So you push on that, and that does your temperature. Okay, so you can put it to whatever temperature you want. Okay. And then just push the button again. Then you go to the next one, push the button, and this is for your water. So at the moment it's on eco. You can go off, eco, hot, or boost. So if you put it on boost, it heats up your water a bit quicker. Okay, so put that on eco. Next one, push the button in, and at the moment we're on electric 2. Got electric 1 mix, which is electric and gas, or just gas. So when you're off grid, you just put it on gas and everything runs off gas. Okay, and then make sure you push the button in. Next one is your fan. So it's on high at the moment, as you can, I'll show you down there. fans going. So that's eco or high, okay? I'll put it on eco. And that plug just shows that it's plugged into power. And there's a book that will show you about all the settings and all that. It goes a little bit more in depth into it, okay? So with that, we'll go down to here. So this is your hot water cylinder and your heater, okay? So what it's doing is it's blowing the hot air around the pipes and coming out these wee vents here, okay? All nice and warm. Now winter time, you got this wee switch here. So what you do if you're not using your caravan in winter, you lift that up and it drains all the water out of the hot water cylinder and out your pipe. So it just stops it from freezing. Okay? And that's all under the seat. And this front cupboard here is the fuse boxes. So that's the top one's your 240 volts, and down the bottom there is your 12 volt ones. And of course it's got all the names on it, so you can work out which one's which. You got the radio there. In this cupboard here, just by the door, is your solar panel. Okay, so that's just charging up your, topping up your battery, and just saying that it's on. Okay. So we'll go over to here. So for your hobs, you got this wee button down here. Flick that, push that on, and then you've got gas, and then flick that off so it stops it from clicking. Okay, and it's the same with all three. Turn that off, and then down here you got grill or you got oven. Okay, so I'll just move that, take the wee handle out. So for the grill, flick that on, push that, hold it in for a bit, and then see your flames going. And then it's the same for the oven. That's all going good there, so you can cook your roast chicken. Okay, put that in there, let it cool down before I put your handle back in. Now we come to your fridge. So we've got three settings: gas, battery or power. Battery will only work if you have it hooked up to your car. Okay, so at the moment we're on gas. So with the gas, you got to push this one in, hold it in because that gets the gas, and then you push this one. And what I'll do is I'll turn it off so you watch that wee. So as soon as it turns off, that wee yellow thing, orange thing goes down to the bottom. So we go around here, put it onto gas, push this one in, and then push that button, and you'll see it slowly moving over into the green. So you hold that button in for a bit, and then you let it go, and it will stay into the green. If it doesn't stay in the green and goes back, it means you've got to do it all again. And sometimes it won't work if you run out of gas, or you forget to turn your gas bottle on. Okay, so if you run out of gas, what you do is you turn your hobs on, let it heat up for a bit, let the gas come through. Once that's all going good, then you go back here and try this one again. Okay, now microwave and all the plugs, they only work on 240 volt. Okay, so if you're not plugged into power, they're not going to work. Okay, and then we'll go down into here, into the toilet. So you got your flap there, so this wee handle here, turn that. Okay, so that opens up the flap down in there. You do your business, and then you got this blue button here, which will flush the water around. So once you're filled up outside, you'll have water that will flush it around. Okay, and then your shower, self-explanatory, and that's how your caravan works. Enjoy.